And we are finally here. Welcome to the 3's Racing Season 2 Championship. The finals are brought to you by JLHcrafts.com Racing. Be sure to check them out in the description below. And the winner of this tournament will win a 25% off entire order coupon from JLHcrafts.com Racing. For the championship, we will have Norman Byrne Racing going up against Northern Roads Racing and M&M Racing. This will be 6 races, and the team with the most points will walk away with the title. We met the teams. Now let's meet the cars they will be driving in the Season 2 Championship for 3's Racing. In the Viper RT10, we have M&M Racing. In the Ford GT90, we have Northern Roads Racing. And Norman Byrne Racing will be driving the Zender Fact 4. The teams are set and ready to go. So let's head down to Toon Track Speedway.
Race 1.
And the championship is on the way as the cars go speeding down around a bend. Looks like the Ford GT90 will grab the first win with the 7:25 time. And he will jump ahead in first place right off the bat as he grabs 3 points. And let's look at the replay and see what happened. Going around the bend, Zender Fact 4 had the lead. Then the Ford GT90, driven by Northern Roads Racing, surpasses Norman Byrne Racing and grabs the victory with 3 points. And that'll give him career win number 9. The results after race 1 is Northern Roads Racing in first with 3, Norman Byrne Racing with 2, and M&M Racing with 1.
Race 2.
The cars are set to go, and there they go. Race 2 is on the way. The Ford GT90 is in the lead. Here comes the Zender Fact 4. And Norman Byrne Racing come back and grab the win with a 7:40 time. And we got ourselves a race, folks. And M&M Racing will need to pick it up, as that's 2 last place finishes in the last 2 races, only giving him 2 points. And he's got a hill to climb, as the Zender Fact 4 and the GT90 are proven very formidable in these finals. So the race 2 results will give us Northern Roads Racing and Norman Byrne Racing tied in first place with 5 points, and M&M Racing is taking up the rear with 2 points.
Race 3.
So the cars will switch lanes once again, and there they go. Race 3 is off. The Zender Fact 4 in the lead. M&M Racing was giving him some contention, but the Zender Fact 4 will grab the win with the Ford GT90 edging up and stealing second place away from M&M Racing. So with the 7:25 time, Norman Byrne Racing have now won 2 consecutive races, and that'll push him all the way to first place with career win number 9. So the results will have Norman Byrne Racing in first place by a point, 1 over Northern Roads Racing, and in last is M&M Racing with 3 points.
Race 4.
All 3 teams are set, and there they go. Going down the first straightaway and around a bend, the Zender Fact 4 has the lead. Here comes the Ford GT90, but the Zender Fact 4 hangs on as M&M Racing finishes last once again, grinding against the rail. But the Zender Fact 4 seems to have taken over the finals as he grabs yet another win, his 3rd of the day. And it looked like Northern Roads Racing was going to catch him, but Norman Byrne Racing said nuh-uh and grabbed the win. That's number 10 for the season. And that'll push him further ahead in the results, as we have Norman Byrne Racing with 11, Northern Roads Racing with 9, and M&M Racing with a disappointing 4 points.
Race 5.
So this is a 2-car race now between the Ford GT90 and the Zender Fact 4. And Northern Roads Racing in a GT90 grabs the win, breaking the streak from Norman Byrne Racing with the 7:28 time. And what a race by the Ford GT90 as he comes alive, waking up as he's getting buried by the Zender Fact 4, and he blows away the competition in race 5, and that'll give him career win number 10. So with one more race to go, we have Norman Byrne Racing clinging to first by 1 point with 13, Northern Roads Racing storming back with 12 points, and M&M Racing with 5.
Race 6.
Here we go in the last race of the day. Who will be the champion for Season 2? And M&M Racing's in first, and here comes the Zender Fact 4. But M&M Racing sends him into the wall and grabs the victory with a 760 time. And the Zender Fact 4 comes in second, and that'll make Norman Byrne Racing the champions for Season 2 for 3's Racing. Congratulations, Norman Byrne Racing. Job well done. And Northern Roads Racing missed it by that much, as he almost walked away with the title himself. And also, congratulations for M&M Racing for grabbing the win in race 6. So your final will be Norman Byrne Racing with 15 points, Northern Roads Racing with 13, and M&M Racing finishing with 8 points. So let's head down to the winner's circle and say congratulations to Norman Byrne Racing for a job well done in this very long season for Season 2 of 3's Racing. And Commissioner Jason wishes to speak.
Congratulations.
I think that was congratulations. But job well done, Norman Byrne Racing. You earned it. We hope you enjoyed Season 2 for 3's Racing, and we will see you on the track here at 2Tracks Racing. If you like this, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time here on the track.
See you soon.